little friend. Friendship, joy, and fun never end. Come on, jump and learn each day. In Spinky's world, fun leads the way.
Tiny monster, Spinky. Hello everyone! Well, how are you today, friends? That's awesome! Hey, what's that? This cute little friend is Spinky!
Spinky!
Hello to you too, Spinky. I'm so happy to see you too. Do you know where we are?
Spinky!
Oh, really? So you're curious about farm animals?
Spinky!
That's wonderful! Friends, what do you think? Shall we learn about farm animals and real sounds they make with Spinky?
Spinky!
That's awesome! Let's go, Spinky!
Spinky!
Oh, this is a cow. Cows are big animals that live in farms.
Oh, Spinky!
They're calm and friendly. They get along well with people.
Spinky!
And here's the sound cows make.
Wow! Spinky!
Ah, that's a donkey.
Ooh, Spinky!
Donkeys are patient and strong.
Ooh,
That's why we can work even in tough places.
Spinky!
This is how they sound.
Wow! Spinky!
Ah, this is a pig.
Spinky!
And pigs are not only cute, but also very smart.
Oh, Spinky!
Pigs makes this sound.
Wow! Spinky!
Look, it's a rooster.
Spinky!
Roosters are the leaders of the chicken on the farm.
Oh!
They are known for their loud crowing in the morning, just like this. Nice try, well done, Spinky. And here's a chicken.
Spinky!
Chickens can only lay one egg a day. And eggs are super healthy, Spinky.
Wow! Spinky!
This is how chickens sound. Oh, look, Spinky, a duck family.
Spinky!
Aren't they adorable?
Oh! Spinky!
Ducks love swimming in the water and they sound like this.
Spinky! Wow! Spinky!
You're right, Spinky. Horses really are beautiful animals.
Spinky! Spinky!
They can run fast and they're trained to carry riders. The sound they make is cold and
Wow! Spinky!
And last but not least, a sheep.
Spinky!
Sheep are very social animals. They love making friends and usually live in groups.
Oh! Spinky!
And sheeps sound like this.
Spinky!
So, friends, today Spinky and I explored the farm and met all the farm animals.
Spinky!
Ah, so you're happy we went on this adventure.
Spinky!
That's amazing. Hey friends, how about we play a little game together? Let's see if you remember the farm animals.
Spinky!
Let's start, Spinky. Here we go. Which one of these two is the cow? Great job. The one on the right is the cow. And which one of these animals is the horse? Awesome! That's the horse! And now, which one of these two animals is chicken? Yes, that's right! Well done! Aha! I have an idea! Let's change the game a little!
Spinky.
Can you guess the animals just by their sounds? That's awesome! Are you ready, Spinky? Friends, what animal do you think makes this sound? Great! That's the sound of a pig. Let's see what's next. What about this sound? Farm animal is it? That's correct. That's the sound of a sheep. And here comes the final question. Which animal makes this sound? Yes, it's a donkey! You were amazing, everyone. I'm so proud of you. What a fun adventure, right, Spinky?
Spinky.
We met the farm animals and played a great game together.
Spinky.
Friends watching from home, that's the end of this adventure. Don't forget to subscribe so you can join Spinky on its next journey. Take care and see you soon. Bye.